Okay, in this video we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. So multiples of 10 would be things like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, etc. And multiples of 100, one example would be 300, that's why I've written that up there. So we're just going to learn how to multiply and divide by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, so I've just got one example for the multiplication. What we have to do is break it up. So 200 is the same as 2 times 100, or 2 multiplied by 100. So if we take our 4.7 and we can multiply it by 2 and by 100, and it doesn't matter the order. So I'm going to multiply by 100 first because I find that easier, and then I'm going to multiply the answer that I get by 2. So if I multiply 4.7 by 100, I will get 470. And then I need to multiply that answer by 2. So 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 940. So just break it up. So instead of 200, multiply by 100, get an answer, and then multiply that answer by the 2. Okay, moving on to divide. Again, I'm going to divide by the 100 first and then by the 5, but if you wished to do it in the opposite order, if you wanted to divide by 5 first and then divide that answer by 100, you would also get the same as me. Okay, how do we divide 65.5 by 100? Remember, we move it 2 places to the right to make it smaller. So we're going to end up with 0.655. Okay, so that's us divided by 100. I just got my 6 and moved it twice over. So it ended up in the first position after the decimal point. And then the 5 just followed straight after. So now divided by 100, all that I have to do is divide by 5. So does 5 go into 0? No. Make sure you put the decimal point back up. Does 5 go into 6? It does once, with a remainder of 1. Does 5 go into 15? Yep, it goes in exactly 3 times. Does 5 go into 5? Yes, it goes in once. So our answer, I'm just going to write it out again, I don't like leaving answers hidden in sums. So the answer is 0.131. Okay, so when you're multiplying or dividing by multiples of 10, 100 or 1000, just break it up. So if it was 4000 and you were multiplying, you'd multiply by the 1000 and then multiply your answer by 4.